How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save a video from CapCut to your gallery. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your CapCut. After you've opened up your CapCut, you will need to start a project or create a project. So you can open up your project that you already have, or you can simply import a new project. So I'll just open up a project that I was already doing. So head over to projects and open it up. So this is the project right here. Now after doing the edits here and after I'm satisfied with the edit, on the top you'll find the export option. Right there besides it, you'll also find the video settings. You can set the resolutions here. You can choose the frame rate if you want to, and you can also choose the code rate, and yeah, if you want HDR you can convert to that as well. After you're satisfied with all of these settings, you can tap on the export button, which will start converting your video to MP4, and with that your video will get saved directly to your gallery. Now sometimes you might even have to watch an ad for CapCut to save your video to your gallery. So tap on export, and yeah, that is how you can save video from CapCut to gallery. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.